This is Ravi Machani, General Manager at STULZ India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. Whatever you see in a server room infrastructure is built on a rack footprint to ensure all the infrastructures are made ready, simple and easy for client to deploy their IT hardware. And these are modular, flexible and can be moved elsewhere without much of a disruption. So it comes with rack as such, multiple sizes based on the client's requirement, and cooling starting with 3.5 kilowatt going up to 60 kilowatt with fire detection, suppression, environmental monitoring, as well as fire detection and suppression with access control and surveillance. Whatever you see in a server room infrastructure is built on a rack footprint, which is modular. STULZ is a German company based out of Hamburg. It's almost more than 70 years in the industry, handling critical cooling solutions for the data centers. In India, we are present since 1996, from 2006 we started manufacturing in India. We manufacture all critical cooling solutions required for data centers.